What's good, guys? So for all of you out there that think stretching is a waste of time, it's probably because you don't know the right stretches to do. So in this video, I put a bunch of different stretches together, so by the next time you hit your next session in the gym, you're nice and loose and you're pushing like never before. So guys, we're gonna jump right into this video. Welcome to the ReggieBFitness. Like that? Yeah? Good. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Reggie B. Today is a full body stretch routine. So the thing that I want you guys to focus on is loosening up your joints, your muscles, so by the time you get into the gym, you're nice and warmed up. It's the same thing for boxers when they're about to go out and have a fight or they're about to go into the ring and spar. What is the main key for them to do is to warm up. Why? Because the saying goes, you go in there cold, you'll come out cold. Same thing goes with working out. You want to loosen up your muscles so you're not getting under some heavy weight and you're tearing something. So the thing that I put together in this routine is a bunch of different stretching exercises, and we're going to do it for 5 minutes straight without any breaks. You can do it before the workout or after workout, but I need you to do it because I can guarantee the next time you hit the gym, you're going to be pushing like no other. So guys, we're going to jump right into this video. You guys ready? Let's get it. All right, guys, we're going to start off with our first exercise. 20 seconds. So I want you to do, grab your right hand, grab your neck, and pull it. What I want you to do is not to pull and yank your head down. You just want to put attention on it, just to stretch all of this out. Remember, gravity is going to do most of the work. So we're going to do this for 20 seconds. We have 2 seconds left. Now we switch, other side. So this right now is stretching out the neck. You want to hold. You want to push it, you want to keep pushing it a little bit down as time goes on. Really stretch out and really warm up those muscles. Bam, now we're working out the shoulders. This way, boom. 20 seconds, same thing. You're going to hold. 3, 2, 1, other side. Go here, grab, so you want to go on the elbow. You don't want to go here because you don't want to bend it. Right here on the elbow, and you're going to push. So it's going to grab, and then stretch out your entire shoulder muscle. Again, let the gravity do the work. Bam, triceps. Here, and then hold, push that elbow down. So what I want you to do, I don't want you to arch your back. Keep your core nice and tight, and you want to hold. Stretch this entire long head of the tricep. Bam. Switch, same thing. Now we're warming up the triceps. Keep the core nice and tight. Same thing looking from this side, rather than me doing like this. And keep right here. Don't arch the back so you're not putting any pain on your lower back. Now, we're stretching out the chest. You can grab your hands, put it behind your head, and then same thing, you don't want to arch your back. Keep the core nice and tight, and pinch those shoulder blades back. Open up those chests, open up the pecs. Keep the core nice and tight. Same thing, you can do here. Bam. Shoot. Bam. Same thing, grab the hands, pinch those shoulder blades backwards, open up the chest muscles. Core nice and tight, pinch those shoulder blades all the way back. 2, 1, working out lower back now. Keep the feet fully straight, you want to turn. So this is working and stretching out your lower back muscles. Core nice and tight. 2, 1, other side. So what I want you to do is look like it from the side. here, and turn. Keeping those feet completely forward, and turn. Just stretching those muscles. 1, bang, quads. A lot of people, they do here, and they bring it back. I'm gonna hold the foot, and you're gonna push the knee forward. So you're gonna keep them completely right next to each other. So stretch all the muscles in your quads. 2, 1, bang, switch. Same thing, 20 seconds. So we're stretching out all the muscles. Full body. So right now, loosen up them arms, stretch out the elbow joints. Forward. Do it for 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, switch. Just like this. Knees. All the way left. 10 seconds. 2, 1, bam, right. Two, 1. Hip flexors, hip joints. And turn. 3, 2, 1. Other way. 3, 2, 1. Boom. So there you have it, guys. They're a complete full body stretching routine. When you go into the gym, right before your workout or right after your workout, remember, stretching is important. For a lot of people out there, you ask them, do you stretch? They just do, yeah, I do. Grab here, they grab it for 2 seconds, and they jump right into their workout. They're not warmed up yet. That's how you get injuries. You tear muscles because you're not ready to really go under that tension when you're doing any exercise. So guys, stay consistent with stretching. Stretching is very important when it comes to working out or any athletic activity that you do. Also, remember, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this video or what other topics you want me to talk about. Not only that, don't forget to hit that notification button so you know my next video comes out. It's your boy Reggie B. Like my video, subscribe to my video so your boy can be back. And if you do that, I'll be real proud, yo. Metamorphosis.